Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages, or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Syllok Children's Hospital, Boxe. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out. Thank you.
Hatu pimpat yo Khun wat hadir ni pelasong kurem labun snam ya Syllok bagi Dr. Arpita Sarma Chief IVF Consultant Janitva IVF Center of Guwahati Hashidong. Kejing memlak Khun kalawan ketak kejing kemen bagi jing shimet jong piru. Janitva IVF Center ngirap ya berok ke Jingeh ke biade bak ke jing mamla ban yo Khun ne ke bentagi shinrang bat genthei kumta sngoi ke jing kemen jong long kemi long kpa ringkat bat ni wandrung ha hospital jong ki kena ke Children's Hospital hapok se Syllok katarik shitarik urusau aratar pausan kapol khroi bejimen step shaneng buk ik kapol jong phi ha kini ki number khandai lai khandai san pra iwe not ar pra nyau lai iwe khandai nru ar nyau iwe pra Lenilai cek website www.janitvaivf.com.